Is the ads off feature not working on the Pinterest app? If ads are still appearing, ad preferences aren't being saved, or you can't manage advertising settings, it can affect your browsing experience. In this video, I will show you how to fix ads off on Pinterest. The first thing you have to do is to go to Pinterest Lite. I'm talking about Pinterest Lite app. You will enter to it here. In this page, we'll go to the sign up profile. Then you will go to settings. You will click on this window of privacy and data, or data, and here in this window what you will find is ads of Pinterest. So we'll tap here to enable this feature and to fix that problem. So this is how it works. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.